Hello, so what you see here right in front of you is Block.B's official showcase and fan meeting goods from Very Good, and this is the sticker and postcard set, and this is the t-shirt. So yeah, I bought both of those. And yeah, I haven't actually opened any of these, and I got these a couple of days ago because they were in different packages from different stores. So I'm like, yeah, I have been holding it in just to show you my initial reaction because I wanted to do an unboxing of both of them. So at the same time. So okay, let's remove the plastic. Comes in one of these regular resealable things. So on the back here shows the contents, so you can see this is how the postcards and the stickers look. But yeah, let's one we can remove. Let's have a look at these. So this is a sticker. As you can see, you can remove these. I'm not going to do that though, but you can do it. So that's the first sticker. And then the second one. And here comes the postcards. So I saw the preview of these, the small, yeah, I saw this one before, so I knew what kind of postcards they would be, so I just knew I had to get them because, as you can see, they're absolutely gorgeous. Oh, so yeah, Sicko. B.O. Oh dear. Dear. Then we have Yukon. Oh. Tail. B-bomb. Oh, with black hair. We have King. Oh, these are just beyond gorgeous. These. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. So this is the t-shirt. Oh, I have seen, like, you know, how approximately how it looks, but yeah, not the actual t-shirt itself, just like a drawing of how it looks. So yeah, kind of excited to see how it looks like. So yeah, we got the big B here. Oh, nice fabric. So yeah, it has these cool arms. I'm going to show you later on when I take it on. I might actually have to cut this video. I usually don't edit my videos, but yeah, I might have to do it this time. Otherwise, it will take like forever for me to set up everything. So yeah, we'll be editing this time. So yeah, and back just here. Yeah, okay. Time for some editing, and then you'll, yeah, just in a minute you'll see me have this on. Alright, changed, so I'm going to jump up on a stool that's there, and so you can see me. I'm just talking right now because, well, I don't think you'll hear me from there, because, well, I'm on a phone, not a fancy camera, so, but yeah.